between 15 to 20%. So the streak of outperformance continues even today. But let's invite Himanshu Gupta of Globe Capital now to get in a check on the market technicals. Do we have Himanshu with us? Okay, Himanshu, hi, afternoon. What have you made of today's outperformance? Is this backed by very large volume? What explains the fact that India continues to be resilient technically while the rest of Asia struggles?
Hi, good afternoon to you. Well, I think it's been only the broader markets that actually continues to look very, very strong as far as we speak about the Indian markets. And today the breakout is actually led by the Nifty Bank, which has actually managed to give a breakout above that 39,700 kind of resistance zone, around which we were witnessing a kind of supply zone. And I think this is the reason why a follow-up buying is being witnessed particularly in the financials. But to be very clear about it, Nifty still continues to be in a broader range. And as long as we are not able to break out that above that 17,750, 17,800 zone, Nifty continues to struggle in the consolidation band of 17,500 and 17,700. And on Bank Nifty, we need to see that if we are able to manage to see the closing above this 39,700 odd levels. In case we do, we can see some kind of further short covering, as today the rally is actually led by a very strong OI addition in the Nifty Bank also. But coming to your question, I think it's the broader markets, the strong rally in the small and mid-cap stocks, that's actually very, very nice to see. And I think there are very good opportunities to make money.
Okay, and what would your individual technical bets be, or those opportunities be?
Yeah, so I'm going with a couple of buy recommendations. The first one is a buy on Chola Finance, Chola Investment. That stock is looking great to me on the F&O segment. The data and the chart structure are both positive, so one can initiate long positions here around current levels of 800 odd levels, place a stop loss below 785, and the targets 820, 825 can be seen in a very short term. The next one is a buy on the cash segment stocks. The first one is Engineers India Limited, EIL. That stock has given a very strong breakout backed by very strong volumes from a downward sloping trend line on the daily charts, and I think there is much more follow-up which is likely to be seen over the coming days. So the EIL is a buy for a target price of 80 and a stop loss below 67 can be placed here. And finally, a buy on Century Textiles. This is another stock where we have seen a start of maybe a new uptrend. After a brief consolidation, the stock has given a breakout in today's session. And interestingly, the move is yet to happen here. The risk reward is extremely positive. Keep a stop loss below 860 and targets of 940, 950 can be seen in the immediate short term.
Thank you very much for joining in. Let's move on to our segment Midcap Movers. Sonia is joining us to take us through the mid caps and small caps that